Equipped with sliding bowl and fold-down tines, grab the movable tine row in the lower rack and slide into the desired position. Fold-down tines allow you to optimize the spacing in the rack. To fold or unfold the tine, hold the tine nearest the clip at the end of the tine row and gently push it past the stop on the clip and in the direction you want to fold it. Additionally, you have a stemware holder to support wine glasses. With this dishwasher, you can raise or lower the middle rack to fit tall items in either the middle or bottom rack. Adjusters are located on each side of the middle rack. In order to make space for tall items, your upper rack is removable. On the left and right side of the rack, push the plastic track stops on the front of the rail sideways to open them. Pull out the rack. To replace the rack, push the rack back onto the rails. Push the track stops closed. Your dishwasher is now ready to tackle any load your family throws at you.